In the mountain forests of New Guinea, a miracle of nature starts to bloom. The bird of paradise, dressed in gold, prepares to dance to win a mate.
Spreading feathers like a rainbow crown, twirling and stomping, shaking upside down. This is evolution's greatest show.
The bird of paradise, watch it go. The male clears a stage on the forest floor. He removes each leaf with careful chore. He practices for months on end to perfect every turn and every bend.
Spreading feathers like a rainbow crown, twirling and stomping, shaking upside down. This is evolution's greatest show.
The bird of paradise, watch it go. His feathers catch the light just right, creating colors that seem to glow. Blue velvet, emerald green, and fire red. Nature's artist perfectly bred. Dance on, dance on, dance on.
For 1,000 years, nature's theater beyond our